In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to fine-tune some of your design skills, this process is quick and easy to grasp. So let's dive right in and explore the simple steps involved. First things first, you'll need to log into your Canva account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the design where your text resides. This can be any project you've been working on or a template you've chosen to customize. It's always exciting to see how versatile and user-friendly Canva can be, offering myriad templates that suit various needs, from social media posts to marketing materials. Now focus on the design you've opened. The first step you'll want to take is to identify the text element you need to remove. Once you've spotted it, simply click on that piece of text. This action will highlight the text box, indicating that it's selected and ready for any editing you might need to do. If you've got several text boxes on the design, make sure you've clicked on the exact one you intend to remove. With the text element selected, the next course of action is to locate the trash icon, which is typically represented as a small trash can. It's an intuitive design feature that allows you to remove elements with ease. The trash icon is usually visible in the toolbar at the top of the Canva interface. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that trash icon. This will instantly delete the text from your design. And there you have it. With the click of that trash icon, you've successfully removed unwanted text from your Canva design. It's a simple and effective way to ensure your visual content looks just the way you envisioned it. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Always double check your design after making changes to ensure everything's looking great. If you accidentally remove a text or make any changes you didn't mean to, Canva offers a helpful undo feature. Just locate the undo button at the top of the screen. It's a real lifesaver, letting you revert changes quickly and stress-free. Remember, mastering these small skills can make a big difference in how efficiently you can create and edit designs. Over time, you'll find these actions become second nature, allowing you to focus on bringing your creative ideas to life without getting bogged down by technicalities. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful in teaching you the basics of removing text in Canva. If you enjoyed this and want to see more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe for future content. Until next time, happy designing.